Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are well. So my plan today is to make some bag and phone charms. So here's one. Here's a phone charm, and I'm going to show you how I make these. Really simple to do. I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies, and lots of the tutorials that I show you, the beads are available. Now in here, it's not jelly babies, but there's lots of different beads, and I actually sell mixed bags of these. Just an example, I'll put some photos up of what you can get in a mix. Obviously it changes all the time, and there's absolutely, let's see if I can show you, there's absolutely all sorts in there. And there's even some gemstone beads, but they're probably, I mean, they're seed beads, but they're probably all at the bottom. I don't want to shake them too much because I don't want to break them. But anything I get, if I get low on a certain bag or anything, I tip it in. But there's all sorts of different sizes in here. Let me just show you again. But this is the one I'm going to show you today. So there's like bow beads, heart beads. There's a teddy bear. Oh, it's the wrong way. There's a teddy bear. A cute teddy bear. Is that showing? There we go, the cute teddy bear. Stars. And it's a simple knot at the top. I'm going mad on making these at the moment. If you want to buy them, they are on the website. If you along with sun catchers. I did go out on Sunday to a lovely place called the Valley of the Rocks, and I know a lot of my subscribers are not from the UK. If that interests you and you want to see what it's like living in the UK, then I'll link that video above for you. It was quite dramatic. The video did not do it justice. It was even better in real life, and I was blown away with how beautiful it was. So if you want to go and take a look, actually please go and watch it and just help bump my watch hours. Again, like this video, please leave a comment down below. It can be the line of a nursery rhyme, it can be the first line of a nursery rhyme. It just helps the algorithm share my videos out to more people. That's all I need you to do. So let me show you how I make these cute phone charms. I just want to show you, this is another one that I've made. Bows. This one's got a strawberry. I've got some beautiful beads on their way, so be sure to check out the website. That's another one available. It's about 8 inches. So I've gone ahead, obviously I have to double it up, and I've cut 25 inches. So here are the beads I'm going to be using. I've done this to stop them rolling everywhere. So we've got the bow beads, teddy bear beads. I've got lots of those on the website. We've got a star, a heart, again. I have those on the website. Possibly those, if there's any left by the time. I think I still have these on the website. If not, I will get more in. And these are 8mm beads, 6mm beads. It's just a selection of different tiny hearts and stars. That's the sweet stroke candy bead. Depends where you're from. So that's the beads I'm going to be using. So to start with, we put both ends together. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. You want to judge how big you want your loop to be. And then we're going to do several knots. Now if I'm using this, I tend to do about 3 knots. because we don't want the bead, this will be the very first bead, we don't want that obviously to fall off. And I'll make sure you go over the top of the other hole. That's 2. We might get away with just 2. Just to be on the safe side, I'm going to do 3. There, nice big knot. So now I'm going to thread this through, and what I do is I just take a bit, this is a bit of wax cord, bend it over, thread it through the 2 beads. Just similar when you're doing your sewing, you pull your thread through. Thread that through, and then pull, and it's pulled it through for you. And now we just thread the beads. So we'll just separate that. Got this bendy needle. It actually arrived like this bent, so obviously I can't sell this, but I can use it. My needles bend anyway. I'm so heavy-handed. It's got a tiny little hook on the end, so I'm just going to hook that on there and then start threading the beads. So we're going to start with a 8mm. Then I think we'll do the sweetie bead. Then we'll do the heart bead. So this pink bead. Then we'll do the star that's got the pink inside. Right, so this is the last bead. then what we do, we just tie these together. So we go over once, then I'm going to go twice. You know the surgeon's knot. And then one for luck. You may not want to do one for luck if you want to hide the knot actually in the bead. So we just snip those off. And it's hidden. So there we have our bag charm. What do you think of that? Let me know in the comments below. Would you have done anything different? Use different beads? We all have different tastes, different colours. I like pink. So it's up to you. You can personalise it. You can use some letter beads. There is our bag charm or phone charm. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and as always, happy crafting.